In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the color of an object inside Photoshop. Let's begin. Here we have a random IKEA chair. I don't know if it's IKEA or not. It's an AI image, but anyways. Press on the quick selection tool and then select your object that you want its color to change. And in case you go over the object's edges, you can hold Alt on the keyboard and drag over the unwanted area to unselect it. Great. Now press on this little folder right here and then click on the new adjustment layer button and choose the option solid color. Now choose any color you want, click OK, and then go to the blend options and click on color. And to make this even more realistic, click the new adjustment layer button again and choose brightness and contrast, place it underneath the color fill, and then adjust the brightness and contrast as much as you see fit. And the cool thing is that you can double click on the color layer thingy and choose a different color that suits your needs. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.